You want a rebounder, but now you're looking at all the different sizes, styles, springs, bungees, bars, prices, weight limits, and suddenly you're thinking, wait a minute, which one is actually right for me? Well, don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through 4 different rebounders that I use and help you understand what to look for before you buy. The best rebounder is not always the most expensive one. It's the one that fits your body, your space, your confidence level, and the way you actually want to move.
Thank you for making your fitness deposit into your wellness tank with me.